Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. Sometimes the universe doesn't whisper. It crashes through your life like thunder. A missed opportunity by seconds. A dream you can't shake off. A relationship that ends just when it felt complete. We call it bad luck. But what if it's not misfortune? What if it's direction? To the Stoics, nothing is random. There is no chaos, only order, divine order. They called it logos, the intelligence behind nature. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." In Stoic eyes, disruption is not your enemy. It is a message, a redirection, a sacred nudge pulling you back to the path you're meant to walk. This video isn't about superstition. It's about awareness. The moments life seems to fall apart are often the moments it's falling into place. Here are 4 signs from the universe that you should never ignore. They're not punishments. They are invitations to clarity, to growth, to truth. Sign 1. The pattern keeps repeating. You leave one relationship, swearing it won't happen again. But the next one ends in the same kind of heartbreak. You quit a draining job only to find yourself burnt out in another office. Again. You think it's fate? That life is playing tricks on you? Epictetus would ask, what part of this do you control? He would remind you, we are not victims of repetition, we are architects of it. What we avoid within, we recreate outside. Until we confront the script we keep following. This is self-governance, a core Stoic virtue. You don't keep ending up in the same place by accident. You're on autopilot, reacting, not reflecting. A Stoic doesn't blame the world. He examines his judgments, he studies his habits, and he chooses virtue over pattern. When the same story repeats, it's not fate. It's feedback, a mirror showing what's still unmastered. And once you respond with full responsibility, not for what happens, but for how you meet it, that's when the cycle breaks. Sign 2. Your stability collapses. The job ends. The relationship dissolves. A betrayal shakes everything you called home. Suddenly, the ground beneath you vanishes. Seneca once said, "No man was ever wise by chance." Wisdom comes not through comfort, but when the illusion of control shatters. The Stoics called it amor fati, love of fate. Not just accepting what happens, but embracing it. Why? Because everything follows nature's order. Nothing is random. So when something you leaned on is taken away, it's not cruelty, it's clarity. Ask yourself, what was I clinging to that no longer served my virtue? What identity was I protecting? Who am I now that it's gone? This is what the Stoics called a sacred demolition. Not an ending, a beginning born from necessity. Sometimes life must burn what's false, so that what's real can finally rise. Sign 3. A persistent emotion. A sadness you can't shake, an anger that lingers, an unease without a name. To the Stoic, emotions are not enemies, they are signals, not to obey but to examine. Marcus Aurelius didn't numb his feelings, he wrote them down. He investigated them like a philosopher with a scalpel. Ask yourself, is this emotion pointing to a value I've betrayed? Am I holding on to something outside of my control? A Stoic neither drowns in emotion nor runs from it. He sits with it, listens, learns, and then acts, not from impulse, but from principle. So if a feeling won't go away, don't suppress it. Strip it down. Ask, is this here to break me or awaken me? Chances are it's not weakness. It's your soul calling you back home. Sign 4. Life speaks through symbols. A phrase you keep hearing. A book falls open to the exact page you needed. A dream repeats. To a modern mind, this feels like superstition. But to the Stoic, it's logos, the divine intelligence within all things, trying to speak. Cleanthes, a Stoic poet, once prayed, "Lead me, Zeus, and you, destiny. Wherever you have assigned me, I will follow." These are not magical signs. They are resonances, where your inner truth meets the outer world. Stoicism teaches us to observe nature, not just with eyes, but with awareness. Not every truth shouts. Some truths must be discovered in silence. If life feels strange lately, if you feel like everything is echoing, don't be afraid. Be attentive. You're not losing your mind, you're aligning it. Closing reflection. The repeated patterns, the sudden collapse, the deep emotion, the quiet symbols. These are not punishments. They are Stoic signals, not from some far-off universe, but from within you. Life is not against you. It's shaping you, refining you, tempering you like fire does iron. So don't curse the storm. Stand still. Listen, ask, what virtue is this moment calling for? And then respond with courage, wisdom, discipline, and calm. Because the universe doesn't scream, it instructs. And the wise, they are the ones who listen. If this echoed with you, don't just reflect, act. Which of these 4 signs has shown up in your life? Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Stoic Wisdom today for more timeless insights on strength, clarity, and calm. Remember, you are not being punished, you are being prepared. Until next time, speak wisely, live boldly, and stay stoic.